Vocabulary, snake names. How many do you know? King cobra. King cobras are venomous. King cobra. Rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes are venomous. Rattlesnakes. Pythons. Pythons are non-venomous. Pythons. Black mambas. Black mambas are venomous. Black mambas. Anacondas. Anacondas are non-venomous. Anacondas. Puff adders. Puff adders are venomous. Puff adders.
Black racers. Black racers are non-venomous. Black racers.
Coral snakes. Coral snakes are venomous. In North America it's said red on yellow, kill a fellow. Scarlet kings. King snakes are non-venomous. In North America it's said red on black, venom lack. Viper snakes. Viper snakes are venomous. Viper snakes. Copperheads. Copperheads are venomous. Copperheads. Boa constrictors. Boa constrictors are non-venomous. Boa constrictors. Spitting cobras. Spitting cobras are venomous. Spitting cobras. Eastern brown snakes. Eastern brown snakes are venomous. Eastern brown snakes. Eastern garter snakes or eastern garden snakes are non-venomous. Eastern garter snakes. Indian kraits or banded sea snakes are venomous. Indian kraits. Rat snakes. Rat snakes are non-venomous. Rat snakes. Green tree pythons. Green tree pythons are non-venomous. Green tree pythons. Green mambas. Green mambas are venomous. Green mambas. Great job! We hope you learned something new. Please join us in our next video.